This way you can throw them onto your high chair.
Yeah, because you like to do that. Dump all your food out.
Balls!
And socks for Evan.
Socks! Alright.
And some cool boots.
There we go.
See your boots, bud? Oh.
Can we try your
Here,
balls?
try them on. Wants to put his boots on.
Oh, do it.
I don't know if your jammies will fit in there.
Did you get your present open, sweetie? Not yet. Doesn't look like it.
Yeah, they don't really fit over your jammies, bud. There. Boots.
Oh, styling boots.
Should we help Lydia open her present? Lydia, should we open this?
Alright, I got the bowls open.
What's in there? It's a Kleenex.
I got one.
And socks. And some jeans and pants. Wow. And some sweaters. What's on this sweater? Lydia, what is that? Squirrel. Squirrel. A squirrel shirt. Squirrel shirt, squirrel shirt. Ooh. Are you trying to put your brother's boots on?
Bowl. Is that what you said? Bowl?
Something like it. Bowl.
Look. Wow. That's really stuck on there, isn't it? Lydia's gonna try it.
It's too strong.
Yeah. This'll be good. Alright. Should we look for some more presents? Or should I clip you? Oh no! You've been clipped! That's how we keep you fresh. Oh, I'm sorry. It's kind of a nice clip.
Okay.
Present?
This says Lydia.
Oh.
This says Evan.
Get after it. Here. Can you grab it? What's in there? Thank you.
in here?
What's in there?
Oh.
Iowa State.
I'm am a cyclone, just like my dad. Lydia,
Lydia, look.
I'm a cyclone, just like my mom.
Oh, I think he's ready to wear it. It's not a scarf, silly.
You trying to put it on?
Close.
You're silly. Matching shirts.
All right, cyclone shirts. Cyclone shirts. Here, should we take the bag?
Lydia, what's this?
What else is under there?
Evan. You tired too? Evan! Evan! Hey,
Distracted.
look! Oh, you want to open Evan's? Here, this is yours. Here you go, sweetie. Lydia. Evan. Distractions.
Did you find some movies? Oh, thanks.
You pull it?
Evan! Evan, look! Evan! Those aren't new. Evan, look! Evan, I think
Pull
there's
the
some
paper?
movies. Oh, your sister just helped.
Yay! Well, these are hers. Look, Lydia!
Little Mermaid.
And Land Before Time.
She's like, I have no idea what these are.
Evan! Evan, come here! No. Don't play with that. Come here. Can you pull the paper? Yeah, there's an earthquake.
Evan.
Can you pull that off?
Oh, good job, strong man. The Lorax.
Lorax. Land Before Time movies. This will be fun.
Oh, she's ready to sit at the table.
Evan, I think this has your name on it.
Evan, look. Should we get the other presents out of the way so they're not distracted? Okay.
Lydia.
And these cups. I don't know why Evan died with these cups. Evan, come over here. We're opening presents, bud.
Lydia, look.
Hey, bud. The action's over here.
Lydia. Evan. Oh,
What are you doing?
walking under the tripod.
Oh, walking under the tripod? Did you bump that tripod?
Evan.
Hey. You're really fascinated with that bowl.
Oh.
Sit at the table.
Ooh.
Thanks.
Here. Oh.
Evan.
Look.
Thank you. Good job. It's Dado cubes. Or Dado cubes. I don't know how you say it. It's exciting. Get on, get on.
Look. build things with them.